Hey everyone, today I want to show you this tilt out trash can DIY kit that I got for this single cabinet that I have. This is great for your dining room or your kitchen, your pantry, or even in a mudroom if you need it for your dog food or your pet food. This kit comes with everything that you need to install it into the single cabinet, and it comes with the instructions. It also has a QR code that you can scan to get better instructions. It only takes about 30 minutes, even if you're a novice, to be able to install this on your own. And it looks great on this single cabinet. I really like it. The handle is easy to grab and pull out. And my trash can is right here. It's most hampers, most trash cans. You just have to check your measurements before you install it. It's also very heavy duty and it's sturdy if you're looking for something to add extra storage. If you're just looking to convert one of your single cabinets into a trash can holder or a pet food holder, this would be a perfect DIY kit for you. And it's a perfect addition to any room. Thank you so much for watching.